Strawberry is one of the tastiest berries. Let's grow it together. To assemble the machine, drag the part to its place like this. That's all. Let's put the refueling gun in the tank. Look at the indicator. It shows how much fuel there is in the machine. Amazing! Let's remove the upper soil layer and add some fertile soil. Let's start foaming the machine. Clean the dirt off the machine with a brush. Now let's wash off the rest of the foam. Keep it up. Let's assemble a covered truck. Ready. And now we need to fuel the covered truck. That's all. Let's install the drip irrigation system. And now let's wash the covered truck. Done! First, let's assemble a film laying machine. Keep it up. Let's fuel the film laying machine. That's all. Let's place the protective film on the soil and form rows. Let's wash the film laying machine. Amazing! Let's assemble a tractor with carriage. Amazing! Let's fuel the tractor with carriage. Ready. Let's buy strawberry seedlings and load them into a truck. Let's wash the tractor with carriage. We did it! Let's assemble a transplanter. Hooray! Let's fuel the transplanter. Keep up the good work. Let's plant strawberries in the prepared planting hole. We need to wash the transplanter. Keep it up. We need to assemble a strawberry trimmer. Hooray! And now we need to fuel the strawberry trimmer. Hooray! Let's trim the strawberry beds. And now let's wash the strawberry trimmer. You're doing really great. We need to assemble a market truck. We did it! And now we need to fuel the market truck. We did it! Let's collect the ripe berries and bring them to farmers market. We did a great job! The berries we've grown are big and sweet.